Hey everybody, surprise, surprise. I have another video for you, but this time it's with a great recipe. I want to thank Sharon, who occasionally contributes to the channel with wonderful recipes. How you doing, Sharon? Anyway, listen, there's no way that I would not want to share this recipe. It's fast, it's easy, and these are the actual pictures that you see on the thumbnail. If you're in the mood for a cherry cheese Danish style of a recipe, here we go. Okay, here's what you're going to need to make this simple recipe. A half a pack of cream cheese, talking about 4 ounces, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, a splash of vanilla. That will make your cream cheese part of the recipe. And you're going to need canned biscuits, like the kind that you see in the grocery store, one canned biscuits. And if you happen to have, you could have cherry pie filling or apple pie filling. The cherry pie filling is pictured on the thumbnail. Yum. Okay, here's what you're going to do. You're going to get the canned biscuits, right? And you're going to press the center of the biscuit as big as you like for it. You're going to put the cream cheese mixture, because you're going to mix together the half a pack of cream cheese, the 1/3 cup of sugar, splash of vanilla. Mix that all up. Press the center of the biscuit as big as you like. Put that cream cheese mixture in, and then you're going to top it with the pie filling of your choice, whatever flavor you like. But I have to say, to me, the cherry looks like would be like one of my favorite matches. Just saying, just saying. Then all you're going to do is bake that at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. If you want a smaller biscuit, I understand you can work this even with the crescent rolls to make them smaller. So this looks too good to be true. And believe you me, when I have an opportunity on a treat type of day, probably when the next holiday rolls around, I definitely would like to give this a whirl. But I am quite sure there are many people out there who can throw caution to the wind and put this simple recipe together. Thank you so much, Sharon. I love uncomplicated hands-on recipes like these. They're beautiful, they look amazing, and definitely affordable. Oh, another thing that Sharon and I discussed earlier was about the drizzle. Okay, if you want to make it a little more fancier and add a little bit of that icing drizzle, when you prepare icing, for example, the way I make it is basically with powdered sugar and with milk. But Sharon taught me something today. If you use heavy cream instead of the milk, you get a nice, different sort of a really concentrated glaze. Oh my gosh. So I just thought I'd pass this along to you. All right, everybody. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, and I'll see you again when? Real soon. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.